Hi, I'm Sam and welcome to my video blog. Today I'm talking about the one thing that you need to do in order to learn how to code. And it's pretty simple, you just need to practice. The hard thing about that is learning what to practice. And that's really up to you depending on what type of developer that you want to be. In general, you want to start probably with some other advice, do a little bit of Googling to see what avenues you're interested in. You know, data science is going to be different than web dev, and then inside of game development, there's a bunch of other stuff that you could do. But generally, what you need to do in order to learn how to code is to practice. And that's how everybody gets better at everything. That's the one simple trick that you need to know in order to learn how to code. I would recommend going to YouTube or Udemy. Start going through learn how to code videos. That's a great place to start. Udemy is a paid platform, but you can get some of their courses for pretty cheap, and those generally have a little bit higher quality as well as better ratings. YouTube is great as well. Obviously there's the free option there, but there's also a little bit lower quality of tutorials sometimes on there, so you might end up watching a video that's old or maybe not as good. And then there's a smattering of tutorials and also stuff out there. But generally, if you want to get good at programming, you have to practice, and it's not a short-term goal. You can't just knock this out in a month and then get a job as a dev. There's really no BSing it. You can go through a boot camp, spend some money that way. Even after you've gone through one of those intensive boot camps where they do make you work more than a 40-hour work week, and they like you to be to prep before. So that means you're going into these with some coding experience. So that means working on your own, studying on your own for quite a while before you get accepted to some of these. Even after you get out of that, you're still very much a junior dev. People that go through 4-year colleges, they're still very much junior devs, even though they have 4 years essentially of writing code and studying software engineering in general and stuff like that. But the main thing you need to do is practice, and practice every day. Twitter's a great place to look up the hashtag 100 Days of Coding Challenge. You can always check that out there and get a lot of inspiration and a lot of tips. It's another great place to look. Thanks for watching.